Hello, my dear friends. Today, I want to tell you something very special, something that can make us all shine like stars. These are three magic words: unity, faith, and discipline. Let's start with the first one: unity. Unity means staying together like a big happy family. Just like the colors in a rainbow or the animals in the jungle, we are all different, but we belong together. When we play, learn, and help each other, we grow stronger. Remember, a single stick can break, but a bundle of sticks stays strong. So always be kind, share, and stand by your friends and family. Next comes faith. Faith means believing in yourself, in your dreams, and in goodness. Even when times are hard, never give up. Say to yourself, I can do it. I believe in myself. Faith also means trusting your parents, teachers, and God. When you believe, your heart becomes a garden full of hope and joy. And the last one is discipline. Discipline means doing the right thing even when no one is watching. Waking up on time, finishing your homework, saying please and thank you. These small things make you a great person. A disciplined child is like a shining light that guides others. When we all stay united, believe with faith, and live with discipline, we can make our homes, schools, and our country the most beautiful place on earth. So, my little champions, let's promise to always hold hands in unity, keep faith in our hearts, and walk every step with discipline. Because we are the future, and together we can do anything.